Morning, folks. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I've seen some disturbing videos about how to put a belt on the diesel generator for the water pump to the crankshaft. So I'm going to go over it real quick with you. This is how it's done. Real quick video. Could be on 7.5K, 8K, any type of generator that uses a water pump with a pulley and belt system. All right, so we'll put you on pause, get it set up. All right, folks, this is the beginning of it. You put the belt down the bottom pulley. You take the pulley off the water pump. You slide it up in there. All right, so I'm gonna need two hands to do this, all right? You slide it up. Now what you got is a little lip in here. You see that little lip? It's gonna ride over this, then hold on to this, the water pump flange. All right, so there it is. I had to have two hands. I only got, see, now here comes the tricky part. You go, oh my God, all right. So you got to lift it up a little bit. Notice how the holes don't line up. All right, just take a pair of pliers, put it on the nibble of the water pump shaft, and you're going to rotate the holes till they line up on the top. All right, a little bit tough there. There you go, almost there. Almost. So you got the idea. $10 millimeter.